Alright, so just a recap of what we did earlier. So you just have the Apple image open. Put it within the canvas that you're going to use. Make it a point to create a new layer and rename that layer. Edit layer attributes, name it something, let's say Apple Guide or something. And then resize and whatnot accordingly so that it fits your canvas. Rescale actually. Move it to where you need it to be, right? And reduce the opacity so that it's barely visible, so you can use it as a guide but it doesn't distract you from what you're trying to do. Right? Then you can just create the Apple experiment layers. In this case, I made use of Apple experiment 001 and 002. Right? For 001, what I did was I made use of brush, so you can experiment with different kinds of brush. You can play around with its shape and then the many aspects of the brush like size, aspect ratio and whatnot, and then play around with that. So that is brush. And in the next experiment, which I named experiment 2, I just made use of these triangles from the previous triangles that we had. I just copied it, resize it, rotate it and so on, and did something like this. And as you can imagine, if we carry on with this experiment, eventually we'll come up with a shape which is similar to an apple, and so it might then denote that it is an apple, although it's shaped slightly differently, meaning it's made out of triangles. Right, so let's go ahead and do these experiments.